Imagine scrolling through your feed and seeing a toddler, barely out of diapers, performing a flawless K-pop routine or a professional-level shuffle. Their movements are fluid, their expressions are joyful, and it looks terrifyingly real. This is the AI baby dancing trend, and it is officially taking over 2026. Welcome back to Trends Deep Dive. Today, we are breaking down the tech, the cuteness, and the uncanny valley behind these viral clips. The secret to these videos is not advanced animation skills. It is a breakthrough in motion transfer technology. Creators are using powerful AI tools, specifically one called Kling, K-L-I-N-G. Here's how it works. A creator uploads two things. First, a high-quality image of a baby. This can be a real photo or an AI-generated character from a tool like Gemini. Second, they upload a reference video of a real person dancing. The AI then wraps the baby's appearance over the dancer's movements. It tracks the joints, the sway of the hips, and even the bounce of the hair. The result? A hyper-realistic, rhythmic baby sensation that matches every beat of a viral track. But why are we so obsessed with this? In 2026, we've entered the era of technical novelty. We've seen AI photos before, but seeing a baby perform complex choreography creates cognitive dissonance. Your brain knows a toddler cannot move like a pro athlete, but your eyes are telling you otherwise. This confusion is exactly what drives watch time. People replay the clips to see if they can spot the AI glitch, which signals the algorithm to push the video even further. Beyond the tech, there's a deeper aesthetic shift happening. We're moving away from AI slop and into AI direction. Creators are now like digital movie directors, blending physical talent with machine precision. Whether you find it cute or just straight up creepy, the AI baby trend is proving that the line between reality and simulation is getting thinner every day. So, is the AI baby dance a win for creativity, or is it a step too far into the uncanny valley? Let us know in the comments. Are these babies adorable, or do they give you the chills? If you want to stay ahead of the next wave of internet lore, make sure to subscribe to Trends Deep Dive. I'll see you in the next one.